Hello friends, this is Altaf Ismail, International Taxation Professional. In my previous presentation, I demonstrated to you the cross highlight and cross filter function of Power BI through the menu change. I have reverted back all the settings to the previous cross highlight functionality with the band selected at high with the option reset to cross highlight. In the previous presentation, we used the menu from file setup, option setting, went into the option area, and from there we selected this default cross interaction system and change it to cross highlight to cross filter. In our current presentation, we will change the setup from this file setup option now from format option. We will select format edit interaction, and now what we can see is individual options available at our disposal. We will have to reduce the filters graph size slightly so that we can do the needed change. Now we are again back to cross highlight mode. We will change the setting from cross highlight to cross filter using the format menu and editing interaction. Now once we edit the interaction, we see how the individual graphs interact with others. It's none. This shows if we select none, then this particular graph will not interact with all the other graphs or cards. If we select highlight, this is again the cross highlight, which is our default setup available at our disposal. And if we select from cross highlight to cross filter, then the setup is changed from cross highlight to cross filter. Right now we can see this cross highlight is by default selected. I will change my setup from cross highlight to cross filter. Just I will click this button, and now what I can see here is that this graph is set with this donut chart at cross filter level. Now this pie chart is showing this 42 million as its 100% value and its composition percentage wise fully, whereas other charts are still, we can see that are in the highlight mode. They are not in the other modes. So what we will do one by one, we will change from highlight to filter mode. Now this graph is also showing the 100% value. Product by sales, this is also showing the 100% value. This timeline is not having any functionality with respect to highlight or cross filter. So it by default remains either at this presentation, which is the filter, or none. We can create the none relationship as well, so that whatever choices are made, a particular graph, any of this graph may not have any interaction with the other graph. In our next presentation, I will demonstrate to you how this none activation and none utilization is productive in our Power BI presentation. Till then, thank you for watching. Like my presentation.